Okay, welcome to this tutorial. In this tutorial, we will see more on these strings. Okay, so if we run this s is equals to span, so it will be string. Okay, span. Now I want to find the length of this s, so it will be c will be equals to, you can see, 4. Okay. Now what is the first element of this s? Now I want to extract the first element. It will be given by s0. So d will be equals to s. You can see here d is equals to s. Now I want to extract the, let's say, now the question is last element. So see, sorry, not last element, the second element. The second element will be p. So you can see this S1 is equals to E is equals to P, value is P. These C, D, E, G, G are, these are just the variables. Okay. Now if we run the next command, so you will see that this S minus 1 will be what? If you see here, F, this is M. Okay. Now the interesting thing and confusing things start actually. Okay, so we have this span. So when we write -1, it is actually taking the last character of the string. Okay, that is m. Okay, now if I do something like this, let's say -2, so it will be a, -3, it will be b, and -4, it will be s. Okay, now if I do let's say 0, what will happen? That is, already we know s will come, right? Now let's say I wrote s -4, and we have, let's say I wrote -5. So index out of range. Okay, this way. Now our next command is this negative indexing. See here. First of all, let me define the s. S is, already we know, it's span. Okay. Now if I do something like this, s, length of s -1. Length of s is what? If you see 4 minus 1 is 3. So S3 will be M. Okay, M element 0, 1, 2, 3. Mth element. Now we have this is just a command, just a variable exchange identity operator. You can use also. So H will be also equals to span. If I run this, I have to run this. Okay. So now whether you type H or S, both are same. Okay. Now if I do something like this, I am slicing the operation. Okay, slicing operation basically. S 1, 2, 3. So now usually what will come? It is PA. It is PA, means 0th element is basically not taken because it not in consideration. P is the 1th element, but we do not count this variable in this operation. We only count the second and the last, means intermediate characters and the last character. Always remember. Okay, like this. So if I do, there are so much of operations like this. Let me do this sum again. Okay, this operation is there. 1, 2 at the last actually. So that is, obviously, this operator means spam is there. So oh, okay, I made a mistake. Actually 1 to 3 means pth element will come, second element will come, and but the last element will not come. Okay, p is for 1, you know, a is in 2, and m is 3, but we will not count this 3 variable. Okay, so here again one element is p, and it means rest of the elements you have to consider, so that's why am is also there. Okay, now if I run something, this command, then what happens? See, 0th element will come, 1 element will come, second element will come, but the third element will not come. That is actually the m. Okay, index third. Okay, now if I do something like this, okay, here end limit is there, but the beginning limit is basically complete. So it means it will start from 0, 1, 2, and third element will not come. Okay, see here that the same thing you are writing in two different ways. Okay, now what will be the output of this? See, the output of this will be spa, means it will start from 0, 1, 2, but the last element, which is nothing but -1 element, is m, which is actually count as, which will not be considered. Okay, yeah. Like for example, if I wrote something, for example, let me do some operation here. If I write something like -2, then what will happen? See, beginning to the -2 element. -2 element is m is -1, a is -2. So -2 will not come. Okay, if we count from the behind, so that is -1, -2, -3, -4. If we count from the beginning, this is 0, 1, 2, 3. Okay, always remember this. Now if I have this, so it means all the characters. Okay, now concatenation is there. Let's try to concatenate. S is there, okay, and I am just adding this with the XYZ. So let's see what will happen. So it is added, spam XYZ. Okay, now if I try to change if I want to replace this as capital S, this as with, let's say, Z. Okay, so let's see whether I can do it or not. So string object does not support item assignment. So that is actually called immutable objects, cannot be changed. You know, immutable objects cannot be changed. Means if you want to change, then you have to do something like this. See, Z character and plus means you cannot change the string, you cannot replace this as, but what you can do, you define this. Okay, let me start this one by one. What you want? We want Z in place of this S. So first of all, let's see what is the output of this. Pam means starting from the 1th index, go to the all of the index. Okay, so Pam is there. So now I can use this operation. See, this operation, Z plus Pam. So that is actually nothing but, if you run this, so it will be Z. Okay, in this way you have to do. Means strings are immutable. You know, immutable object cannot be changed in strings. Okay, so thank you very much.